Let me just quote to you the words of Erika Bergman, a political scientist who's been looking at the work of the Truth Committee that you've had. You referred to it earlier. He says that what we've learned is that in Iceland we've had a mix of, quote, greed, incompetence, nepotism, nationalism, youthful risk-taking and a kind of collective superiority complex. He says the truth is we in Iceland lost sight of our roots and our values. If that's true, can you recover them?
Well, yeah, unfortunately there's a lot of truth in that, and we have to, as I say, we as a people have to honestly face that we went off track, completely off track in many ways. And it's not just a question about the responsibility of the leading politicians, bankers and businessmen. We as a people also need to look this in the eye. That does not mean that the ordinary people are responsible or guilty for anything in that sense. But obviously many joined in, even the media, and the big parliamentary investigation explains this very well. How is this dealt with? Well, as I say, we have to follow the law and the rules, and those who are responsible have to shoulder that responsibility, not because we want to punish them as such specifically, but because that's how our law and constitution works.